Hey there friends, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to export all your ChatGPT data. So simply sign into ChatGPT as I've done so here, and we're going to want to open our account settings. So to do so, simply click on your account at the bottom left hand side of your screen and then click on settings. Here you're going to see a few menus. Simply click on data controls at the left side of your screen and then click on export data. So this is going to send a download link to the registered email with on your ChatGPT account. So as you can see, it also asks for a verification. I'm just going to go ahead and open up my email real quick, have it verified, click on continue and give it a second or two to load. So once that's done, you're going to see a notification appear at the top of your screen saying successfully requested your data export. So just keep an eye on the registered email and you should receive a download link. So let's give it a look. So as you can see here, we've got an email, my data export has started. And within a few minutes, I should also receive the download link for all my data. Simply open the email, go ahead and click on it, and you should be able to download all your ChatGPT data, including your conversations and personal info. That's going to be it for this video. I hope I was able to teach you something new and something useful. And as always, thank you for watching.